Good afternoon. My name is Jeffrey Antonio Espitia Castro. I am 25. I am from Colombia. I live in Santa Marta. I study in Chuinat. I am heavy machinery operator. My mother is Flor María Castro Corso. My father is Dorancel Antonio Espitia Mendoza. My sister are Arlene Viviana Espitia Castro and Lady Marcela Espitia Castro. My mother is small and she have black eyes and long hair. She is Gentile and sweet. She is housewife. My father is thin. He has short hair and brown eyes. He is friendly and Gentile. He is for men. My sister Arlene is small and she have long hair and brown eyes. She is beautiful and friendly. Here study and school. My sister Lady is small and she have long hair and brown eyes. She is sweet and friendly. Here study in school. Thank you.